The sine function in C takes the mathematical sign of a given angle in radians. Sine is in the math.h header file. Let's hash include math.h. We will also want to print our answers, so hash include stdio.h. Finally, we're working with trig, so we'll want pi, don't we all? Hash define pi equals 3.1415926. Sine returns a double, so our answer will be double ant equals sine of pi on 2. Next, we'll print our answer. So, printf, double quotes, %f for doubles, \n, then we will printf ants. If we run this code, you'll see sine of pi on 2 equals 1. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.